So this is a piece of flat steel, and if you apply the force down in that direction, you can see it just bends, right? So it's not strong in this direction. However, if you flip that in that direction, how thick is that piece of steel now? That's about 50 millimeters. So that's rock hard. Now the thing is, the cleverness about corrugation is, we're not adding any metal, we're just changing the shape of it. And you can get a flat piece of steel like that to react and act like a thick piece of steel like that. So try that bucket on it, see if you can take the weight of the bucket without deforming too much.
Can I go on that mark?
Yeah, go on then. Gonna take that? Okay, so it's got the bucket. What do you reckon that is? A couple 100 grams?
It's right, yeah.
Yeah. All right, here we go. I'm just gonna put it in. Okay, let's now corrugate this. Hang it in the same, yeah. Let's see if there's any flex in the steel just when you put the bucket on it. Right, you ready?
Go on in. And again.
Put it in though, don't drop it in. No way. So already it's taken...
Well, it's double, isn't it?
Right, double, absolutely, yeah. This is utterly ridiculous. Right, it's still going. I mean, it's beginning to deform now. You can see where it's weakening here. Yeah, go on. Let me try and get that in there.
Yeah, go on.
That is half a kilogram?
Got to be.
No way! I'll drop it.
Here you go.
Is it going?
Yeah, it's going.
Hey!
Corrugation. Where would the automotive industry be without it? Light, strong, practical, unlike other parts of this van.